What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking in from SeaWorld Orlando, of course, for an Infinity Falls construction update and to see what else is going on inside the park. Before we go through the gates, though, we're going to see what is inside the storage lot. Let's go! Now that we're at the storage lot, we can see, well, some parts are missing, and that is a good sign that maybe vertical construction has started. We still have these awesome looking supports over here, but yeah, stuff is missing, guys. That's good. The rafts are still here, waiting to head over to the construction site. More good news to report. Another segment has arrived over here at the storage lot, and it's going to be for the main tower segment. So we have 3 big tower segments right here. It is spring break week, and it's not too busy to get in through the ticketing and of course through security, but the pen trading is hot. So yes, they still have pen trading, and if you haven't picked yours up, pick some up. They're kind of cool. Yep, we're still working on this thing. And by this thing, I mean Shamu's Emporium. So we still have the outdoor area over here, and it's all set up looking nice. Just in case you were wondering, the Seven Seas Food Festival is still going on, and good news, it's been extended, and we have a Latin flavor to it as well. We did a whole media event this morning, and you can check that out on our YouTube as well. You know, the dolphin nursery with dolphins, doing dolphin things.
Don't think it is? Spell it.
Yes, good news. Sky Tower's at the top, so that means it's open, and it's only got a 10-minute wait. So that means we can do an Infinity Falls update. Ah, there it is. Good news. Not good news though. $2. Take my money, I guess. We'll do it for the fans.
Welcome aboard the SeaWorld Sky Tower. Interaction is a big part of the SeaWorld day. After an awesome animal and pet experiences, Shark's Underwater Grill.
Hello, beautiful. beautiful. It is good to see you again, and let's see how long the wait is. Only 15 minutes. Really not that bad for spring break. And there we have it, folks, the very first vertical section to go into the air for Infinity Falls. Looks good. Let's get a little bit closer though. Lots of new work on the footings over here by the retention pond. This is probably the closest that we're gonna get to Infinity Falls' new vertical construction, but hey, it looks pretty good. And you may notice that thing hanging off the side of the tower right there. That is the counterweight for the rafts. Another view from the retention pond of those footings, or at least rebar work that's going on over here. And a little bit closer view. Lots of stuff to report on today, as we now have some theme work and rock work that's going on near the trough. In the last couple of updates, we've said this area over here was possibly for the lift area. Well, we need to make a correction. One of our fans pointed out this is going to be the station, and it sure is. We have center blocks rising up, and it's looking pretty good. A very large wooden structure over here, and it's shaped like a channel, so I'm wondering if that's actually going to be another section of the trough for the rafts to go through. Crack and unleash. Let's see if you're still crack-a-lacking with your VR or not. Nope, that's a negative. No VR headsets. But we do have a bit of good news, as there are 3 trains running on Crack and Unleash right now. One there, one here, and one coming into the station. So yeah, 3 train hops. On a hot day like today, where it's reaching almost 87 degrees, there's not too many things better than a ride on Journey to Atlantis, unless you're of course waiting for Infinity Falls. Well guys, that is going to do it for another general construction update here from SeaWorld Orlando, and I am very happy to say Infinity Falls has finally gone vertical. Yay! So hopefully we'll have some more coming up in the coming weeks. Of course, we have the 7 Seas Food Festival still going on, and it's been extended. You can check our video that we did from the media event this morning. It's actually pretty good. We have a whole bunch of awesome food as well. We're going to continue to do updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.